When change happens, it can be for the better. Ito ang mensahe na gustong iparating ng pinakabagong commercial ng McDonald's. Pero bakit kaya tuloy pa rin ang napili nilang title para sa particular commercial na ito? Sabay-sabay nating alamin. Okay. Naalala nung babae, yung moment na nakikipag-break yung boyfriend niya sa kanya sa McDonald's. And the girl is begging for him to stay. Pero umalis yung guy. Sino kaya kumanta ng version na ito ng Tuloy Pa Rin? Very light, very fresh lang yung vibe. Napaka-positive ng mensahe na gustong iparating ng commercial na ito ah.
Welcome change with the new Burger McDo.
Okay, so yun pala yung pinakabagong commercial para sa Burger McDo. Throughout the years, we have seen McDonald's doing commercials na talaga namang commendable, tumatatak sa puso at isipan ng bawat Pilipino. And syempre at the same time, may good values. Sino ba makakalimot kay Lolo at kay Karen? Or dun sa commercial ng mag-best friend, na na-friend zone yung guy, tapos ang theme song is Huling El Bimbo. And itong pinakabago nila, Tuloy Pa Rin. For me, napaka-positibo ng gustong iparating ng commercial na ito. Kasi, syempre, we all know that change is constant. Maraming pagbabago sa buhay natin. And all we need to do is to accept that it is really happening. Na sana lahat ng pagbabago na pwedeng mangyari sa mga buhay natin ay positibo lagi. We could always hope for it. Like in this commercial, for someone na malungkot and parang loveless dahil iniwan at nandun sa stage na nag-move on pa lang siya, it's really hard for her na bumalik dun sa same corner ng McDonald's kung saan nangyari ang isang painful experience. But then, siguro by that time naisip niya na I am ready for change. Ready na ako na mag-move forward. And then again, by the end of the commercial, nakita natin yung babae na masaya na ulit. And for me, itong mga ganitong klase ng commercial ang kailangan natin sa ngayon. With all the news na puro negative, all we can have is this positive commercials that can somehow uplift our souls, that can somehow uplift our moods. Kasi very, very important yung mga ganito. Kasi sometimes this commercial can make or break a person. And I must say na after ko mapanood ng commercial na ito, talaga namang napangiti ako ng sobra. Ang dami kasing pwedeng i-inject sa utak ko ngayon na change. Maraming pumapasok sa aking utak, doon sa salitang change. And for you to be able to relate it to a lady who is in the midst of moving on, napakataba lang talaga ng utak. Kasi you know how to market your product. But at the same time, you're able to convey a very strong and a very powerful message.